Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Income Secrets. Today we're diving into the Pi Coin and its potential listing on Binance. This has been a hot topic lately, so let's break it down. First off, Pi Coin is officially listed on Binance as of March 2025. There's a ton of community speculation, but no official word from Binance or Pi Network just yet. Pi Coin launched on February 20th, 2025, at around $1.45, peaked at $2.10, and is now stabilized around $1.35. With a market cap of about $12 billion, it's currently the 11th largest cryptocurrency. Impressive, right? Now let's talk about why Binance list Pi Coin. There's a huge market demand and a strong supportive community. Plus, Pi Coin's significant market cap and potential for real-world utility integration make it a promising candidate. However, there are some obstacles. Not all Pi users are KYC compliant, and there are ongoing concerns about decentralization. These issues could slow down the listing process. So, what would happen if Pi Coin gets listed on Binance? On the positive side, we could see a price surge, greater liquidity, and increased credibility. But there's also a risk of early holders dumping their coins, leading to price instability and potential regulatory challenges. Unsustainable hype could also result in a classic pump-and-dump scenario. For all you Pi Coin holders out there, here's some advice. Follow only official announcements from Binance or Pi Network. Avoid any scams linked to fake listing news. And remember, focus on Pi Network's long-term value and ecosystem development, not just the exchange listings. That's all for today. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more crypto updates. See you next time on Crypto Income Secrets.